Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with Essentials. Confirm the Google Translate app is updated and you can change system settings. Once done, open the app and tap your profile or the three-line menu to reach settings. Make sure background data is active and that you can grant overlay permissions. These let Translate show on top of other apps. You're taking the first actionable steps now. Access settings inside the app so you can enable the specific Tap to Translate feature without detours. Next, tap Settings, then select Tap to Translate and toggle it on. You're enabling the core feature. When the system prompts, grant display over other apps permission and notification access so the floating bubble can appear. Choose your default source and target languages now, and turn on Always Show or Auto Detect where available to avoid manual switching. This sequence ensures the bubble appears when you copy text or press the floating icon, so translations happen instantly while you stay in any app. Finish by testing. Copy text in another app or tap the floating translate bubble to confirm translation appears. If you don't see the bubble, make sure overlay permissions and notification access remain enabled. Then disable battery optimizations for Google Translate so the system won't kill the background service. If it still fails, restart your phone and, as a last resort, reinstall the app. This combination of permission checks and a restart resolves most issues and gets Tap to Translate working reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.